I'm getting mighty tired of your trifling ways and of listening to that jackass brake.
Alright, so I just want to make this little update on part 2. We got the core support in, and I'm starting to kind of put stuff back together, like the airbag sensors, which you're not really supposed to clean because it's a sensor. So I didn't clean that. I kind of washed the bottle and the air filter box out. Just the little things. Cleaned off all the ground, like wires that need to be grounded. I really didn't even need to unhook any of that from the truck because it's not even a Fender. But yeah, we got one Fender on, and look at that, no rust. This is just a base coat, just so we can fit everything up, and then we'll sand it down and clear it. But we didn't paint the front as you guys seen in part 1. And no, I did not show you guys the headlights because I didn't add that clip in, so I'm kind of sorry about that. But these are the headlights for the F150 right here. See that little side marker where my thumb's at? That's gonna do away with those, and yeah, that's just gonna look way better. And then I painted the grill and all the bezels black, so that's gonna look good as well. And then here are the side markers, which are clear. They don't have the orange on the sides, but there will be an orange bulb in that, and then just a clear one in this one. And the side, they're clear, but they're just a black background on them. So all I'm doing is now, since I painted all the bolts and the bracket on the old core support, as you guys can see how bad it was, I have to take off the center support for the core support, and all the bolts I kept on so I can just paint them. The stickers I'm not putting back on. Later down the road I'll just buy some from the dealer. And yeah, just take off everything that I need off of this, put on the new core support, and go from there. But yeah, it's coming along pretty good. And yes, I am doing this all by myself, so yeah. So it's a work in progress, little by little. I'm just kind of nibbling at it. It's like 80 degrees today, and it's really hot in here. So yeah, I should have the other Fender on tonight and partial grill assembly. So yeah, it's gonna be a late one. I know, sorry for no time lapses, but I just want to kind of make these videos, not really edit that much, and just throw them on the YouTube videos or a YouTube channel so you guys can watch them. So yeah, there you guys go. Alrighty, so it's probably been like an hour later, and everything on the passenger side is all put back where it was. Ground, apparently this went to the battery because it doesn't reach, so I'm thinking that's where it goes, and I think it was hooked up, so we'll hook that up, and if we start seeing sparks, we'll unhook it. But I'm pretty sure it was hooked up to the battery for some strange reason. Oh, but what I might do is probably bolt up the horn. You guys weren't in the shot. Is probably bolt up the horn and kind of reorganize some of that wire, kind of like what I did over here. So when it comes to plugging in the lights, they're all nice and untangled. But yeah, everything else is hooked up. So really excited. So yeah, this is just the base coat, so that's why you see some bare spots. We have to sand it, put another base coat, and then clear it. This is just for fitting purposes and cutting things in. So yeah, the hood is not propped up with an axe, and it's held up by its own weight again. So I think I did some pretty good progress today. There is a lot left to do, but I think I'll just finish that up in the morning because it's supposed to rain, and I want to get in because it's 10 minutes to 9 and I'm just tired, whooped, and I will save all this stuff for tomorrow. And there's the old Fender that I had to rob off the bolts and clips. So yeah, I'm tired. I'm going in. So thank you guys so much for watching. This is part 2. And yeah, look at that. It's a brand new Fender. No more rust. No more hole. It's so clean. So yeah, this truck's gonna look pretty good when it's done. I can't wait. But I do have to run to the paint store to grab some more pinstripe and some more Christmas tree clips, so I can put those in. So yeah, so if you guys made it to the end of this video, give me a big thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. For me, this is actually my second truck that I'm restoring, not from the frame up, but you know, at least the outside will look good, because I don't want to take the time and take everything apart on the motor, because half of it's covered up and I'm not going to Hollywood on the truck. But yeah, let me know down in the comments, what do you guys think? Tell me what you guys restored, or what was your first ever project that you guys ever restored. And yeah, so, and plus, or another side of things, I got my door rubber out on this side. I'm just gonna have to drill these screws out and just buy new stainless steel ones. And I forgot that there's one bolt that goes inside the fender, like all the Fords, even the F100s, they have one bolt, or some of them had 2 or 3 that went up here and then one down there, but this one only has one. And I totally forgot to put it in, and everything's tight, so I have to loosen everything back up to get that one bolt in that goes through here and put that on right there. Totally forgot about it. So yeah, and I do have new door rubbers right there. Back when I bought the truck, he gave them to me. So yeah, and I just got done painting those and a few other things that go on the front right in here. So I might have to loosen up the fenders just to get those in as well. So that's why I'm taking a break. I'm done for. So yeah, let me know down in the comments. I know I've already said that, but if you enjoyed the video, give it a big thumbs up, and let me know down in the comments what do you guys think. And subscribe if you're new, because we do truck stuff like this, and we do Snap-on and Harbor Freight tool reviews on this channel. So thank you guys so much for watching, and we're almost to 1K. We're at 936 subscribers. So for 1K, I don't know what we're gonna do. Oh yeah, we're doing a Snap-on 3/8 ratchet giveaway. So I'll buy a brand new one from the Snap-on truck, and we'll give it away to one of you guys, because then we'll be able to live stream again. That's why I haven't done any live streams, because you have to have 1K to do live streams. So we'll do a live stream. My brother won't be in it in the raffle, so it'll be one of you guys. I'll write it down, throw it in a hat, and whoever I pick, I'll email you, or if you have an Instagram, Facebook, I will send you a friend request or follow you on Instagram. We'll get in touch, and I will get your information, and then I'll send it out to you. So yeah, the sooner we get to 1K, the sooner you might have a brand new Snap-on ratchet. So yeah, it'll be a three choices: an all chrome one like this, or one with a rubber grip. So I will let you guys know, or you will let me know what you want. So yeah, that's something to look forward to. Alright, so I'm gonna let you guys all go. This is part 2. Part 3 will probably be sometime this weekend maybe, so of it being the front end all done, and then there will be many parts later when the cab corners, rockers, and all the other stuff gets put on. So I'll see you guys all later.
Getting pulled over for doing a 69 and a 55.